Hey guys, back again with me, Ethel Chamomile, in another unit tutorial. So let's get into it. In the last tutorial, we managed to make the collectible move up and down. So in this tutorial, we're gonna make the spawner hold in one place from time to time. So we're just gonna make a go here. I'm gonna edit the spawner movement script, the one we created in the last tutorial. I'm gonna make another float, max wait time. And then I'm gonna make another float over here too. I'm gonna call it wait timer. So the idea is very easy. Over here, we are going to check if wait timer is more than time the delta time. Wait timer, I'm sorry, is more than 0. Wait timer, subtract time delta time, and return. That's it. So you're going to check if the wait timer is more than 0, and if it is, just count it down and then return, and the code will stop here and it will look over here, and when the wait timer is 0 or less, it will finally move down here. We're also gonna assign the wait timer so that it doesn't just stay at 0. To do that, we're going to make it like this: wait timer equals random range 0f max wait time. So what this do is it will assign a random amount to wait timer. So sometimes it will wait for 1 second, or sometimes 2, sometimes just 0.5 seconds, or sometimes even 0. But we will clamp that we decide the maximum wait time. So for example, if we type here 1, it will only randomize between 0 and 1. We will also do the same over here. So for example, if you are moving up and we've reached the maximum y, we will assign the timer and the code will loop over here. Now don't forget to save. And if we go back over here to the game, let the code compile itself. I'll make the wait timer 2, the maximum wait time to be 2. Don't forget to save, and we can see over here that the spawner goes up and sometimes wait, sometimes don't. See, it's waiting over here, over there. It goes over here and wait for a bit before going up again. Maybe 2 is too fast, so I'm gonna make it 5. So the maximum wait time is 5 seconds. There we go. And then goes up, then wait again. It's pretty random. There you have it. Save. I also kinda want to make the intro flow to be faster and add more collectibles. Save. Don't forget to add them to the pooling. There you go. Seems like 10 isn't enough, huh? Let's make 15 then. Whoops. There you go. Kinda like it better. Eat. Okay, so it's only been 7 minutes, huh? I gotta add something else, I guess. Over here we have minimum and maximum already, and since we already know how to use a random range, I'm going to make 2, maybe just one. Float the target position equals target y equals 0. What we're gonna do here is we're not going to check on the max y anymore. We're gonna make target y instead. So the idea here is to make the spawner sometimes stop in the middle. Over here, we're gonna make target y equals random, the range 0f, max y because we're moving. Oh no, min y, and then 0f because the min y is a minus here, right? And the max amount is 0 because this is for when you're going down, and over here if you're going up, so 0f max y. The left amount always have to be the smaller one than the right one. Okay. Also want to make a start function over here and put this here. Just randomize. So the start function here is the same as update function. It's a default function that we got from mono behavior. The start will be called at the start just once of it when the object becomes active for the first time. Let's see if it works. Goes up. There you go. See, it doesn't go all the way to the top sometimes. Over here, this one goes to the top, and then it goes down again and stops just over there. There you we go. Now the game is much more dynamic. The collectible movement is much more dynamic. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial then. In the next tutorial, I think it's about time that we're gonna add enemies. Something that we should not be colliding at, you know? Enemies, right? Yeah, so in the next tutorial, we're gonna make enemies. We're gonna make enemies, alright? Let's not make friends, make enemies. So that's it for this video then. Leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time.